OpenAI just fired 300 customer service agents in complete silence. The remaining humans, they all got promoted. This happened 6 weeks ago. No press release, no announcement, no outrage. OpenAI's customer service team went from 387 humans to 87 overnight. The AI they deployed handles 94% of all support tickets now. But here's what nobody tells you. The 87 humans who survived didn't just keep their jobs. They became something entirely different. And what happened next should terrify every white-collar worker in America. Because this wasn't about cutting costs. This was a preview. Meet Sarah Chen, 11 years at OpenAI customer support, Tier 2 specialist, $47,000 annually. March 15th changed everything. Sarah walked into what she thought was a routine team meeting. Instead, she found herself in a room with 86 other people. The other 300? Gone. Not laid off. Replaced. The AI system had been watching them work for 8 months, learning their responses, mimicking their tone, perfecting their solutions. Now, it could handle password resets, billing issues, and basic troubleshooting faster than any human. But here's what gets insane. Sarah didn't get fired. She got promoted to AI trainer. Her new job, teaching the machine to be more human. Her salary, $73,000. The irony is suffocating. But this is where the story breaks open. Because what happened to Sarah is happening everywhere. And the pattern is always the same. This wasn't about saving money. OpenAI spent $4.1 billion on AI development last year. The $14 million they saved on customer service salaries. Pocket change. This was about something bigger. They were stress testing the future. Here's what nobody saw coming. The AI didn't just replace the bottom performers. It replaced the middle 77%. The humans who survived weren't the best at customer service. They were the best at teaching machines. Sarah's new role requires emotional intelligence, creative problem-solving, and pattern recognition. Skills that can't be automated. Yet. But here's the part that should terrify you. Every other tech company watched this experiment, and they're taking notes. The numbers tell the real story. Customer satisfaction scores increased 23% after the AI takeover. Response times dropped from 4.2 hours to 11 minutes. The AI processes 847 tickets per hour. A human processes 12. But wait, it gets worse. Microsoft laid off 276 customer service reps last month. Same pattern. Amazon replaced 312 in February. Google cut 189 in January. The survivors, all promoted to AI management roles. Here's the number that made CEOs go quiet. Training one AI system costs $2.3 million upfront, but it replaces $18 million in annual salaries. Forever. The math is brutal, the timeline is accelerating, and your job category might be next. Imagine you're Marcus Rodriguez, customer service at Salesforce, 4 years on the job. You're good at what you do. You know the software inside out. You help 15 customers daily. You get positive reviews. Then one Tuesday morning, you get an email. Team meeting. Conference room B. You walk in expecting quarterly updates. Instead, you see 23 colleagues. The other 267, their desks are already empty. The AI has been shadowing your calls for 6 months, learning your voice patterns, memorizing your solutions. Now it handles the routine stuff. But you're not fired. You're retrained. Your new job title, Customer Success Strategist. Your role, handle the complex cases the AI can't solve. Yet, the promotion comes with a 31% raise, but also a terrifying realization. You're not irreplaceable. You're just temporarily necessary. This is the new employment model. AI handles volume. Humans handle complexity. For now. But the complexity threshold keeps rising. What required human judgment last year is automated today. What needs human creativity today will be automated tomorrow. The pattern is spreading beyond customer service. Goldman Sachs replaced 67% of their junior analysts with AI. Legal firms automated 43% of document review. Accounting firms cut 52% of bookkeeping roles. The survivors aren't just keeping their jobs, they're becoming AI managers, trainers, and quality controllers. But here's what should keep you awake at night. Each promotion is temporary. Each human role is a placeholder. The AI is learning from every interaction, getting smarter, getting more creative, getting more human. And when it masters the complex tasks, there won't be promotions. There will be silence. Remember those 87 humans who got promoted at OpenAI? Here's what nobody mentions. Their contracts include a clause. If the AI masters their training tasks, their roles become redundant. Translation: even the promotions have expiration dates. We're witnessing the most polite mass replacement in history. Companies aren't firing people. They're promoting them into obsolescence. The question isn't whether AI will take your job. It's whether you'll get promoted before it does, and whether that promotion buys you 2 years or 2 decades. What do you think? Are we seeing the future of work or the end of it? Because honestly, I'm not sure there's a difference anymore.